Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we'll quickly cover how to book your official Duolingo test. So let's get quickly started. Booking a DET exam is quite easy. So you can click on the link in the description to get started. It will redirect you to the DET registration page. Now all you have to do is register yourself with your email address and enter your password. Upon entering your password, simply click on the next button. On the next step, you will have to enter your age and then click on next. Now select the reason for giving the English test. In my case, it is for undergraduation. You have different options, and if the reason is not available, select none of the above option and click on the next button. DET will also ask for the country that you would like to go after taking the English test. I am okay with the USA, UK, Australia and Canada. If your listed country is unavailable, choose other destinations and click on the next button. You can select multiple countries. DET will also ask when you plan to take your English test. You can provide a timeline by selecting from less than 1 month to more than 1 year and click on the next. Lastly, it will ask you where did you hear about DET. You can select YouTube and click on the next button to complete the account creation process and accessing the DET dashboard. After this final step, your account is created and it will redirect you to the Duolingo English Test dashboard. You can click the buy now button to purchase the Duolingo English Test. The single test costs around 65 US dollars and two tests will cost you $55 each. I would recommend you to take two tests which will give you two attempts at DET for just one at $55. Choose your desired test option and click on the continue button. Now DET offers two options for the results. The first is the same day result, which are 4 times faster. You can get the result within 12 hours of completing that English test. I can vouch for this as there are instances when the result was generated instantly. However, this will cost you another 39 US dollars. The second option is free, but the result will be released after 48 hours. But if you have registered with the link in the description, you can get result within 24 hours without any extra cost, since we are the preferred Duolingo partner. Once you click on the buy now button, you will be redirected to a page which says thank you for your purchase, and you will receive an acknowledgement email immediately. You will also see a button which says view test rules. I suggest everyone to check all the test rules before opting for the test. After purchasing, you can start your test by simply clicking on the Start Test button, which will be on the right side of the screen. And there you have it. You are one step closer to achieving your goals. Remember, practice makes perfect, so take advantage of Gurully for your practice mock test, and good luck with your exam. See you in the next video.